Bonjour. In this video today, I'm going to be showing you how to use the MultiSites platform to build a website for your French restaurants. If you've just stumbled across this video, welcome to the YouTube channel of MultiSites. If you haven't heard of MultiSites before, MultiSites is the easiest way to launch your own website. You can literally launch a website in less than a minute. It was designed to make creating websites fast and simple. No coding is required. It's really affordable. It's only going to cost you $9 a month, and there is a free trial available for 7 days. So click on the link below this video, sign up for the free trial, and give it a go and see how it works for you and your small business. So let's get cracking building a website for our French restaurants. Once you've signed up on the MultiSites platform, it's going to go ahead and ask you to search for your market over here. There are hundreds of different markets to choose from for different small businesses, solopreneurs, and people with side hustles. However, if you've just randomly stumbled across this video and you don't even have a French restaurant, you have another small business, and you can't quite find it listed over here, let us know in the comments below and we will add it. So I'm going to go ahead and search for French restaurants, and there it is over there. I'm going to go ahead and select that template. Great. Now MultiSites is going to ask me a few basic details about my French restaurants, including the opening hours, trading hours, company name, city, just some basic details so it can literally work its magic and create a one-page website for me. So I'm going to go ahead and put in my company name over here, Rochelle's French Bistro. I'm going to put my city in and my state or region. It doesn't matter where in the world you're located, you can use the MultiSites service. We do have customers from all around the globe. I'm now going to go ahead and leave type of business as restaurants and click continue. Okay, so how can our customers get in touch with us? Let's put our phone number in over here and our email address. Let's click continue and move along. Okay, so where is our French restaurant located? Let's go ahead and put in our street address and our postal code and click continue. Now MultiSites needs my basic opening hours, the hours our restaurants is trading, so we can add it to our website. Okay, so I'm assuming my French bistro is only open for lunch and dinner. So I'm going to go ahead and say on a Monday we open at 11:30 a.m. just in time for lunch, and we close at 10 p.m. I'm also going to say we open on Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. We open 7 days a week. Let's go ahead and click continue. Okay, let's do a quick review. Let's make sure all our hours are correct that we've chosen and all our contact details are correct. However, if you do need to amend them, you can amend them on the next page. Great. Let's click on next and move along. Now, look at that. MultiSites has literally generated a one-page website for me. I didn't need to know any website coding. I didn't need to hire a website professional. And I didn't need a huge budget. It's only going to cost me $9 a month. However, free trial available. Click on the link below this video. The beauty of MultiSites is we've pre-selected all the images for you and pre-written all the content to make your life as easy as possible when it comes to launching a website for your French restaurants. Look at that image, super professional, and it's making me really hungry. However, if all these images and the content just doesn't work for you and your small business and you want to amend it, you can do just that. And it's really easy to do. So I'm going to go ahead and start my way from the top, work my way through each section, and just give you a little bit of a look and feel of how the MultiSites platform works. You don't need to know any web development skills, any coding. It's really easy to do. So I'm going to go ahead and click on update section at the top and work my way to the bottom. Let's click on show email on site here. So our email is displayed in the top right hand corner of our MultiSites page next to our phone number over here. Phone number is click to call. Customers can easily click on it and get in touch. Let's go ahead and save our location, address, physical location displayed in the top left hand corner. And the great thing about it is customers can click on it and be taken directly to Google Maps to get directions to your French restaurants. Let's click on update social links. Over here, I'm going to go ahead and put in our Instagram page and our Twitter page. Feel free to give us a follow. Let us know how the service is working for you and how much you're enjoying multi-sites, what features you'd love to see in the future. We'd love to hear your feedback. Social media icons are now displayed over here. There is an option for LinkedIn, YouTube, and Facebook as well. Customers can easily click on these icons and be taken directly to our social media accounts to give us a follow, leave us a comment, and get some engagement going. Great, let's go ahead and close that. Now, perhaps the colors used throughout your multi-sites page that I've pre-selected for you just don't quite work for you in your branding. Perhaps your business cards, your branding throughout your restaurants is completely different colors, and that's okay. You don't need to know color coding to change it. All we need to do is click on this paint bucket over here and go through the various different color palettes available. So I'm going to go ahead and select this one because I think that works with for my French bistro. I'm going to go ahead and save that one, and as you can see, it's now used throughout your multi-sites page. Great, let's move along to the next section. As I mentioned earlier, content is pre-written for you. Images pre-selected or royalty free, no licensing required. However, if they don't quite work for you, we can amend it by clicking on update section. So perhaps your French bistro just doesn't offer online ordering. Let's change that to view our menu. Over here, we can link to various different places that our button over here will go to. So I want to link it to our menu. I'm going to go ahead and select choose link. You can link to another website. Perhaps you have an online reservation booking website that you want to link to. Otherwise, you can link to different actions like click to call, click to email, or get directions to your physical location. But I'm going to go ahead and click on a PDF file. So when my customers do click on that button, view our menu, it will directly take them to an uploaded PDF of my menu. So I'm going to go ahead and upload that and browse from my device and upload it over here. There it is, my Marty menu for my French bistro. Awesome. There we go. It's uploaded. I'm going to click on confirm, save the contents, and move along. And look at that. There's my button. Customers can easily click on that and be taken to my PDF file of my menu so they can pre-select the menu items they want to choose and have a look at the menu items available. Over here, again, we can amend it. Perhaps you want to change your hours that we've previously put in. That is where you can do it. And you can link the button to various other places, click to call, or another website if need be. Over here is an awesome spot to display a beautiful image of your French bistro. Perhaps you have some professional images you have taken. You can click on update section and browse your device and upload it here. However, if you don't have any professional images, that's completely okay. You can search through the photo library, and multi-sites will automatically search for some French restaurants for me. We can change the terms to see what comes up. Let's say French food and see what is on offer. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and select this one because I think that looks really awesome. I'm going to go ahead and save that, save my image selection. Remember, all the images are free to use, royalty free. Let's go ahead and save that. That looks really great. On to the next section. Again, can amend the text that's pre-written for you by clicking on update section, write in all the information over here and link the button to other places or change it if you want to. Okay, now we made our way to the About Us section. Over here, you can put a little bit more details of how your French restaurant came to be, how you got started in the industry, maybe a little bit more information of your chef that's making all the amazing French meals. I think this image is really suitable. Everyone loved creme brulee. However, if you want to update it, you can update it by clicking on there, update the image, search for through the photo library, or browse from your device. Great. So I've literally launched a one-page website for my French restaurants in less than 10 minutes. I've gone through each section and amended things, and it was really quick. Everything is really professional. It looks really awesome. I'm very happy with my websites on Multi Sites for my French restaurants. Remember, it's only going to cost you $9 a month. There is a free trial available for 7 days. So give it a go. You've got nothing to lose. See how it works for you and your restaurants. One of the most frequent questions we get asked at Mighty Sites is, can we link our custom domain? Absolutely. With a professional website comes a custom domain. So at the top here, I'm going to click on stop editing. I'm going to show you where you can link your custom domain. You can head over to the site dashboard, and over here is where you can connect your domain. If you're struggling, there is a YouTube tutorial on our page. There is also a blog post over at www.mightysites.com, as well as some great marketing tips and tips on how to market and promote your small business. However, if you are struggling still, you can drop us a message or an email and add Mighty Sites as a user, and we will literally connect your domain for you. We will do all the hard work. Great. So I hope this tutorial was helpful on how to build a website on the Mighty Sites platform for your French restaurant. I'm really wishing you and your restaurant mighty success. Don't forget the thumbs up for this video and to leave us a comment below and let us know what you're loving about Mighty Sites, what features you'd love to see in future. We'd really appreciate your feedback.